Meet the Amazon Echo Frames and Echo Spot, your tech-savvy dream duo. Echo Frames, smart glasses with Alexa, open-ear audio, and sleek style. Echo Spot, a smart alarm clock with vibrant sound and endless possibilities. Ask Alexa to play music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Your soundtrack, hands-free. Call your VIPs with one button. It's like speed dial, but cooler. Open-ear audio keeps you aware of surroundings while delivering crisp sound. Auto volume adjusts to your environment. Loud cafe? Alexa's got your back. Echo Spot shows time, weather, and more. Your bedside assistant in style. Personalize Echo Spot's display with fun colors and clock faces. Fancy, huh? Big sound, deep bass, clear vocals. Your music deserves to sound this good. Echo Frames, Echo Spot. Functionality meets fashion for your daily routine. Upgrade your life. Alexa's ready, are you? I was walking my dog when I realized I forgot my headphones. Suddenly, my phone buzzed. A call from my boss. Panic mode. Fumbling for my phone, I tripped over a squirrel. Classic me. Then I remembered. Alexa, answer the call. Boom, hands-free magic. With open-ear audio, I could talk and still hear traffic. Genius. Later, I asked Alexa to play my favorite podcast. No earbuds needed. At home, my Echo Spot greeted me with weather and a smile. It even played my playlist while I cooked. Big sound, tiny device. And the clock face, totally customizable. I made it match my vibe. Now I'm unstoppable. Smart glasses on the go, smart clock at home. Introducing Echo Frames and Echo Spot. Style, sound, and smarts in sync. 'Cause who needs chaos when you've got Alexa in your corner? Customer reviews 5 out of 5 stars. Mike squinted at his phone screen, muttering, "Why is it so bright?" His friend Sarah smirked. "You know you can just ask, right?" Mike raised an eyebrow. "Ask who? My phone? It's not that smart." Sarah tapped her glasses. "Nope, ask Alexa. She's always listening." Mike laughed. "What, your glasses are secretly a spy? Very James Bond of you."